Hello, and welcome to Statistics through DLSI. My name is Christian Cruz, and I will be your instructor for the statistics course. Just a little bit about me. I'm actually a high school mathematics teacher in Greenwood, Indiana, where I teach Algebra 1, Geometry, and AP Statistics through College Board. So I have some experience with statistics. I have a background in that. I have a bachelor's degree in math education through Ball State University, and I have a Master of Arts in Teaching Mathematics through Indiana University. So I'm here to help you. I'm glad to be here. If you have any questions at any time, feel free to reach out. But let me introduce you to the course and how to be successful in this course. So there are course reading assignments. We are using, this is incorrect. It says College Algebra 3rd edition. That should say Statistics. But the book is on the ALEKS website. Module 1 is going to consist of remedial information, some basic math skills that you should have to be able to do the math in this course, as well as Chapter 1. Module 2 will consist of Chapters 2 and 3. Module 3 will consist of Chapters 4 and 5. Module 4 will consist of Chapters 6 and 7. Module 5 will consist of Chapters 8 and 9. Chapter 6 will consist of Chapters 10 and 11. Module 7 will be Chapter 12. And then Module 8 will be Chapters 14 and 15. So, course makeup, like I said, this is just the things we're going to be covering in this course. We're going to review some remedial information. I'm not going to have a video for that, but that's going to be some basic skills that you'll pick up there. Just some basic, arithmetic and algebra that you might need for this course. We're going to get into basic ideas about data and how to collect data. We're going to talk about graphical summaries of data, numerical summaries of data, how to summarize bivariate data, two variable data. We're going to talk a little bit about probability. We're going to talk about probability distributions, particularly discrete probability distributions. We're going to talk about a continuous distribution known as the normal distribution. We're going to talk about inference. So we're going to talk about confidence intervals, hypothesis testing for both one sample and two sample. We're going to talk about tests with qualitative data. We're going to talk about inference in linear models, analysis of variance, and non-parametric statistics. So how to be successful in this class. Like any other online class, utilize everything in the classroom. Make sure that you're checking out your textbook. Make sure you're following my path in ALEKS. We'll talk a little bit more about that here in a minute. Make sure you're watching these lecture videos. Every lecture video is important. It contains useful information and examples that you might need in order to be successful. Be sure to check out extra resources. You can Google extra resources, but there's also some available listed in the course modules themselves. Be sure to check out the discussion forums. You and your classmates can post there. Your instructor might also chime in there as well if you have questions, but feel free to pop in there. And then assignments and quizzes. Obviously, make sure you're doing the actual work for the course. This course has a start date and an end date. There are no weekly due dates for anything. You get to pace yourself through this course. The only requirement is that